Alright, and the third one is a combination of the cobra pose and the locust pose. So we're going to raise our chest up, we're going to raise our legs up and literally rest on the ground with the midsection. So stretch out your hands. You can join your palms together or keep them separate. It doesn't matter, it's your choice. Breathe in. As you breathe out, stretch, raise your legs up. Don't bend your knees. See, this doesn't serve the purpose. Stretch, hold it there. 3, stretch in 2 different directions. 4, join your palms, stretch. And 5, relax. Do this one more time. Breathe in. As you breathe out, up, stretch, 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 stretch. 2, 3, keep breathing in and out. 4 and 5. Okay, relax. Breathe in. Now gently, as you breathe out, come up and do what we did in the beginning. Stretch and ease your back gently. Take a couple of deep breaths.